It's summertime here in the interior of Alaska, and we are at Denali Hostel and Cabins here on the Parks Highway, mile 224. It's about 13 miles south of the National Park entrance. And I'm with Bethany Boyd, the proprietor here at Denali Hostel and Cabins. So Bethany's agreed to show us around here so we can see the property.
Yeah, hi, welcome. We're gonna walk up from the parking lot into the office. We have a bike rack under construction for our e-bike rental.
I first came here in 2019, and every year they're doing more and more improvements, and it's really looking great this year.
Yeah.
So here's where we check in. Okay, and check in after 4 p.m. and sounds good. And then
and we have a variety of snacks and some food that you can buy, cup of noodles, some easy stuff. And we also have s'mores kits.
Because we're not close to the any kind of supermarkets or anything, you're out in the wild here in Denali. Yes. But they'll take good care of you here. So
yeah.
Next, or should we go?
Yeah. So after you get checked in, you can go to your room.
So speaking of how to get from here, this is the Carlo Creek area, how to get from here up to the national park or anywhere else you might want to go in this area. So they have the sheep shuttle, which is an awesome way to get from here to the park, or from the train depot, or to meet the buses that come to the Denali area. That will get you back and forth. Also to take you to do some hikes or the tour inside the national park. So great place to stay here in Carlo Creek. It's quiet, and there's a couple other there's some places to eat around here, and it's a nice little kind of local quiet feel, and lots of cabins here that we're going to show you. So the first stop is the Razorback.
This is one of our private cabins. It's a 2-story cabin, and the lower floor has a kitchenette in it.
So kitchenette here, and I might just pop upstairs to see the
great view from the big picture window.
So we got a double bed here and a single bed, and a view out to the creek. Okay, where to next?
All right, where are we going next?
Let's go check out the creek and the fire ring.
Yeah. So we recently built a couple of gazebos with mosquito netting so that people could enjoy the outdoor space more comfortably. We've got a nice supply of firewood, and guests can make their own fire whenever they want, except for when there's a fire ban, which we are under right now because it's been pretty dry here. But it's a lovely area right by Carlo Creek.
Yeah, a sweet place to hang out here by the creek. And yeah, s'mores. You can make s'mores if there is if you're allowed to have fires. Yeah. But it's super dry right now. Okay. Nice. Yeah, I like the gazebo there.
This is one of the sanctuary cabins. We have 4 cabins that all are set up pretty similar to this one. And these are private cabins. Each has a full-size bed and then a twin-size bed bunked above.
Nice. And then for the showers and the bathrooms, we'll show you where those would be located.
Yeah, just a short walk.
So it's pretty common up here in Alaska to have, you know, separate shower and bathroom facilities since we're off the grid.
And this is the shower building right here, so it's really close. And then we have our common space just right here as well, our kitchen and lounge area. This is what we call the octagon, and we've got a kitchen on this side. There's 2 sinks, 2 stovetops, a microwave, 2 full-size refrigerators. Everybody just labels their food.
Or if they don't label their food, it gets devoured by the staff, is what the sign says.
And it's fully equipped, so we have everything you need to make a homemade meal. We have all the pots and pans, everything's labeled and organized. We have dishes, coffee and tea is complimentary.
And then I got a couple dorms upstairs, but we're going to show you some other dorms outside. And newly built this year or last year?
Finished at the end of last season, so
cool.
It didn't get used last year, so this is the first inaugural year for our outdoor kitchen.
Sweet.
The kitchen in there can feel small sometimes when we have big groups, so it's nice to have another space that people can use.
Cool. Grill and outdoor stove here, sink.
Running water and
nice.
Gas and everything, yeah. And then we also have laundry for the guests to use, and we provide detergent.
Okay. So the Two Rocks dorm.
Oh, we got some wild roses blooming.
Wild roses.
Yeah, this is one of our dorm rooms. All of our dorm rooms can be rented privately, or you can rent just a bed in this room. And all of the dorm rooms have a maximum of 6 people, so you never have too many people around to share one room with.
And bring your eye shade in the summertime because sunset now is, it's about a little after midnight here, close to midnight anyway, around the equinox.
And then our third type of accommodation is these canvas castles. Each of them has 2 cots inside. They have mosquito netting. They are decked out with really comfortable memory foam sleeping pads, and we've got sleeping bags, pillows, and we provide the towels and everything. So everything you need is here. You don't have to bring anything with you.
Sweet. Kind of like glamping here, Denali style.
Yeah, and these tents are brand new. They're a little bit taller than they used to be, and there's a window in them.
Nice.
We also put up a little lamp and a bug zapper inside too, just in case.
Cool, I like these.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I've been around the world to dozens and dozens of hostels, and this is definitely a very special one in a very special location. So come and check it out here on the Parks Highway near Denali National Park.